Hello, Montclair State faculty members. I'm Tracy from the ADP Center for Learning Technologies, and in this video, I'm going to give you some great reasons to use Flipgrid in your course, and I'm going to show you how to get started. Flipgrid is a video discussion board that's a great way to engage students and create a more engaged student community, especially for your online courses. The best way to learn is to teach someone, right? The learning by teaching effect has been demonstrated in many studies. Students who spend time teaching what they've learned have a better understanding and knowledge retention than students who simply restudy their notes. So with Flipgrid, students can create a video in response to a prompt you create. You can ask students to do an icebreaker. They can do a self-assessment on a topic, such as discuss an economic theory or a science concept, or give their elevator pitch. Flipgrid is also a great ed tech tool for faculty teaching a class that's designed for pre-service teachers, because the students that are using this technology will carry that experience with them as an educator. So in order to use Flipgrid, first we have to create an account. So let's get started. So to open an account, the first thing we need to do is go to the Flipgrid website, and this screen will come up. The next thing we need to do, obviously, is sign up. Now remember to use your montclair.edu account. Don't use the mail.montclair account. Sometimes it messes things up, so just be sure to use the regular montclair.edu account. I've already created an account, so I'll sign in. So this is what the Educator Dashboard looks like. And you could see here, I've generated two topics. One I generated here through the Flipgrid website, and the other one I generated through Canvas. And we'll talk about that in a second. But I think the first thing that we need to do is just go through your profile and set that up. You can get a picture. When you click on the picture, you can either connect to Bitmoji or drop a JPEG or a PNG here to change or update a picture. I would just go through the account settings just to make sure that everything is right on here before I noticed that this time zone was central. That might screw things up a bit. So just make sure you have the correct time zone in there, and then you're good to go. So this particular tab, the integrations tab, will be really important when you integrate through Canvas. So the way you would integrate through Canvas is to go to the Montclair State website and just type in Flipgrid. And it should come up through the ITDS page. So when you go down, I know Flipgrid is here somewhere. Here we go, Flipgrid. So when you click on the Flipgrid information page, it shows you exactly how to use Flipgrid in very, very quick videos. And it also shows you how to connect with Canvas. Installation and licensing. So it shows you here how to do the Canvas integration. And there's also a PDF you could print out, because honestly, in this particular video, the guy talks really fast. So it might be a little hard to keep up. So the page is really good. So once you do that, you can integrate Flipgrid through Canvas, and they show you how to do that in the video. So then you'll be ready to use Flipgrid in your assignments, which will be fantastic. And in our next video, I'll show you how to use some of these tools. So take care. Thanks for watching.